Steel industry ERP solution. Steel manufacturing does not run on standard ERP logic. It runs on heats, weights, yield, scrap, and delivery commitments measured in hours, not days. Yet most ERP implementations in steel plants fail, not because ERP is bad, but because generic ERP is forced onto a highly specialized industry. Steel inventory is not SKUs. Production output is never fixed. Scrap is not waste, it's money. And traceability is not optional. If your ERP ignores this reality, it becomes just another accounting system. At Prudence Technology Limited, we don't sell only ERP. We solve steel business problems using Steel First ERP solutions on Microsoft Dynamics 365. Our principle is simple. ERP must follow steel operations, not the other way around. That means steel-specific processes, minimal customization, faster implementations, and predictable outcomes. From complex steel sales and contract pricing to weight-based inventory and heat traceability. From rolling, cutting, slitting and job work to yield control, scrap accounting, quality, MTC, and maintenance. Every process, connected, controlled, in real time. Because ERP adoption fails at the shop floor, we built a steel mobile accelerator. Real-time production. Inventory movements. Quality checks. Dispatch confirmations, all captured where steel actually moves. The result, near-perfect inventory accuracy, improved yield. Complete scrap control, reliable order fulfillment, and full heat traceability, all visible in real time through D365 Business Central dashboards. We are not the cheapest ERP partner, but we consistently help steel companies reduce working capital, eliminate margin leakage, and increase profitability. In most cases, our steel ERP pays for itself. Steel ERP is not a generic project. It is our specialization. Prudence Technology Limited Steel First ERP on Microsoft Dynamics 365.